Hey guys, welcome to the second video on this channel. This is going to be a very quick exhaust comparison for you guys at home. So since I've done my last video, I put on HKS Hiflow Cats and a Z1 Y pipe. And I'll put some photos of the HKS Cats in right now and then the Y pipe comparison vid as well. And in between putting all those on, I've done some exhaust comparisons. The thing is about to go in for an exhaust full cat back on Monday, or I should say a white pipe back with a MagnaFlow rear muffler. So before I've done that, I thought I'd take some videos for you so you can hear what it sounds like with just Hiflow Cats, and then Hiflow Cats and white pipe, so you know exactly what you're going to be in for if you do this with your 350Z. Cheers. Guys, now what you're hearing here in the last video, what to expect is that there's a little bit of a leak between the white pipe and the standard 350Z piping. Reason for that is the Z1 pipe is flush, brand new stainless, and the standard exhaust has a bit of a warp to it, so we've got a bit of a leak through the top. I've tightened up the bolts as much as I can, so listen ahead, but yeah, that's what the leak is. I've done everything I can, and until it goes in for the rest of the exhaust, there will be a slight leak in it. But then hopefully we can get that rectified when I get the custom exhaust done and we open this thing up. Alright guys, now some honest reviews. Z1 shipped it out immediately. The product itself felt great, easy to install, zero flaws. I have so much respect for this company, and I've been following them on Instagram and YouTube, and you guys should as well if you haven't already. They're great. HKS Hiflow Cats, I bought them second hand at a really good price, so that's probably why I think they're worth it. I don't know how they compare to any other products from what I've seen, and they are very expensive, so I don't know how great they are. But in terms of a Hiflow cat, they bolted up straight on the car, had zero fitment issues at all, and they paired up well together, all three. The cats, the white pipe and the standard exhaust, no issues, besides that small leak I had with the warped mild steel standard exhaust. Now, in terms of power, definitely noticed a nice mid-range torque increase in the car. It sounds a lot better despite having that leak. I can tell it wants to breathe more. I can tell it wants to rev up a bit quicker as well. Definitely operates a lot more efficiently than what it was before. So in terms of power, I'm very happy with it. I can't wait to pair up the white pipe back exhaust. As I mentioned before, or if I haven't mentioned it yet, I'm getting a 3-inch straight piping to a Magnaflow muffler. I've also picked up second hand, so it should sound fantastic when it's done. And then I'll let you know how it sounds then. I'll do some more exhaust videos then, and I'll give you an honest opinion on the power increase and if it's worth it on a DE. But from what I've found so far, white pipe, Hiflow cats, even to a standard exhaust, you will notice a power increase. It still does lack a little in the top end, and from everything I can tell, a plenum spacer and an intake will help with that, and I have both of those things at home waiting to go on as well. So that's the next thing I'm going to do to the car, and we can see how the power goes from there. So I've read a lot on the forums about how it goes, and I want to give you my take on all those things with my cats, with my white pipe, full white pipe back exhaust and intake mods. So we'll see how we go from there. Thanks for watching, and please stand by for the next one. Enjoy.